Saffron. Saffron is a spice derived from the flower of Quercus sativus. It is also called as the red gold. It has been the world's most costliest spice by weight. Kashmiri saffron has been given geographical indication (GI) by the Government of India. Now we'll see the soil type needed for cultivating saffron. Kashmiri saffron is only one of its kind, grown at an altitude of 1600 meters above sea level. It can be grown in loamy, sandy or calcareous soil and gravelly soil. Let's see the climatic conditions needed for cultivating saffron. Saffron thrives best in warm and subtropical climate. An optimum period of 12 hours of sunlight is desirable. Low temperature coupled with high humidity during flowering season affects flowering of the saffron crop. Spring rain boosts the production of the new corms. The best planting season is from June to September. Now let's talk about the processes involved in sowing of saffron. First, the soil is made brittle by plowing the field thoroughly. Then, fertilizers are added to the field to make it fertile. After that, pits are dug that are 12 to 15 cm deep and with an interplant distance of around 10 cm. Then the corms of saffron are planted directly into the pits and covered loosely with the soil. The saffron requires very less irrigation. It is always planted at the scheduled time to get the maximum yield. Growing of saffron. Saffron corms multiply from the first year to the next and one corm gets 5 corms. During the growing period, mulching will control the growth of weeds along with the saffron plant. It is grown in Kadiwa of Jammu and Kashmir, including Pulwama, Budgam, Kishtwar and Srinagar. Harvesting of saffron. Saffron flowers bloom and are ready to be harvested during the autumn season, that is September to October, for the red stigmas, that is saffron threads. Each blossom yields 3 stigmas, which are carefully hand-picked. The flowers must be harvested before noon, which is a tedious and meticulous job. The blooming of saffron lasts for 3 weeks, called the blanket days. It is believed that closed, that is unbloomed, saffron flowers must be harvested to ensure high quality saffron. After harvesting of saffron, now comes the drying and storage of saffron. When the blooms are harvested, they are brought to the stripping area, where the stigmas or threads are very carefully removed, manually and painstakingly, for the storage of the saffron threads. After the stripping comes immediately the drying, also known as toasting, which is done daily until all the threads are dried. The stigmas are dehydrated by toasting them at 60 degrees Celsius. It is a painstaking job, as the saffron threads get burnt if the temperatures exceed 60 degrees Celsius. So the person who is toasting the saffron threads has the most delicate job in the saffron producing business. After toasting, the saffron threads will have reduced their size and weight by 80%. That is, 5 kg saffron threads before drying will weigh only 1 kg after drying. When the threads are dried, they turn vivid dark red. The tips turn dark orange. They are cooled and wrapped in tissue or foil and packed in airtight jars and kept in a cool, dark corner away from heat and light. Now we'll see the uses of saffron. Saffron has many health benefits. It is used as a flavoring and coloring agent in milk and milk sweets. It is also used as a seasoning agent in cheese, meat and Mughlai cuisine. In Ayurveda, it is used to treat arthritis, infertility, liver enlargement and fever. It is commercially used in perfumes and cosmetics. It is a powerful antioxidant and improves mood and reduces depressive symptoms. Now we will see what is the demand and supply of saffron. Kashmir is the country's only saffron producing region. It produces around 17 tons of the spice annually. The price depends upon the demand and the amount of crop produced. It is the world's most expensive spice. Its price ranges from rupees 1.6 lakh to 3 lakhs per kg.